Hello, I'm Byron, and thank you for joining me again at English Fun Academy. Today, I'm going to talk about the past simple in the negative. And there are one of the main things, one of the most important things to remember about this is that the verbs here do not change. Okay, you do not use, even though it's the past simple, even though it's in the past tense, these verbs do not change. So go stays as go. Have stays as have. The spelling doesn't change, nor does the pronunciation. See, need, believe, say, eat. Okay. All right. So again, let's begin with this one. I did not go, or I didn't go. I did not go to the store yesterday. I didn't go to the store yesterday. You did not have much to say. You didn't have much to say. Okay? He did not see me. He didn't see me. Okay? She did not need many books. She didn't need many books. Okay? Did not and didn't are, again, the same. It did not eat very much. Okay? If you're talking about an animal or something like that, it did not or it didn't eat very much, when I saw it. Okay? And moving on to the plural, you did not or you didn't say very much yesterday. We did not or we didn't have much homework yesterday. If you're talking to your class or something like that. We did not or we didn't have much homework, yesterday or last week or something like that. They did not or they didn't believe me. They did not or they didn't believe me. They did not or they didn't believe me, when I told them about the accident or something like that. Okay? And that again is the plural. You, we, and they is the plural. And again, let me just state this one more time, that go, have, see, need, believe, all the verbs that you use with did not, didn't, do not change, okay? You do not use the past tense of these verbs, you use the base form of the infinitive, okay? So, I did not go, you didn't have, he did not see, she didn't need, it did not believe, you did not say, we didn't eat, they did not go. Okay? So you just remember the verbs stay the same. You don't change to the verbs in the simple past tense. They stay as they are. Okay? And let's go to the examples that I wrote down here. I didn't eat today. I didn't eat today. Simple, straightforward. Not ate. Not ate. Okay? She did not do that. She did not do that. Okay? She did not do that. You didn't see me. You didn't see me. Okay? Simple as that. Not you didn't saw me. That's incorrect. Okay? Even though it's the past tense, this one stays. These all stay the same. Okay? Please try to remember that. We did not go there. We did not go there. We did not do that. Something like that. Okay? So remember, it stays as go. It does not change to went. Okay? All right. So this is, again, the simple past tense. I think it's pretty straightforward. If you can just remember the one simple rule that these verbs do not change. They all use I, you, he, she, it, you, we, they. They all use did not or didn't, so that's fairly simple. That's fairly straightforward. And then these verbs do not change. You just use the base form of the infinitive of the verb. And other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So I hope that's informative. I hope that's easy to understand. And I really appreciate you joining me. And, if you have any questions or anything like that, be sure to, send a message. And thank you very much. And keep trying your best to learn. And, stay motivated. And English is not as hard as it seems, like most things in life. Thank you. Bye-bye.